Hello, today I'm going to talk about how music affects people's life. I think the music affects in the feelings. For example, when you break up with your boyfriend or girlfriend and you listen to a romantic music, you might feel identified with the kind of music because of the lyrics or the meaning of that song. Also, for example, if you are in love with someone and you listen a music that has a romantic story, you also will feel identified with that music and you will listen it over and over again. In my case, I like romantic music, but there is one song that I really like. It is Un amigo es una luz. I choose this song because it remembers me my childhood, my teenage my teenage years and also my 20s. Although all those years I have wonderful friends with I can't laugh about anything, talk about nothing important, and we were very happy. Additionally, they were always for me. When I have a problem, they always listen to me patiently, and then they give me some advice after we laughing and crying. We look for a solution for my problems. They give me love and attention, and it was really nice. I think God sent my friends to me at the time when I really needed them. Finally, I believe that the music reaches all our senses. For example, it can help us to fall asleep, it can help us to relax, etc. That's why I think we can choose what kind of music are we going to listen very careful because of the marketing and these days the music industry it's not giving us a good product, especially if we talk about the lyrics. So that's why I think it's very important to pay attention that what kind of music we listen every single day. Thank you very much for listening.